This is our new national anthem that we all should be singing now, and it goes like this. Eternal Father, curse our land, now take over bygone men. People seeking evil powers, children missing every hours. To careless leaders, weak defenders, like corruption that they love. No justice, no truth, can this be forever? Jamaica lost their love. Jamaica, Jamaica, Jamaica lost their love. Teach us true respect for all. Nowadays youths don't know that at all. Strengthen us that we should cherish. Gunshot a because family a perish. Lightning, thunder, earthquake, water, send down it, Father, from above. No justice, no truth, can this be forever? Jamaica lost their love. Jamaica, Jamaica, Jamaica lost their love. Thank you.